Hey there, future business sellers. Today we are diving into a topic that's on many an entrepreneur's mind: how to sell a business. Whether you've built a startup from scratch or inherited a family-run enterprise, selling a business is a major decision and requires some careful planning. So let's get started. First off, let's talk numbers. Did you know that according to industry statistics, only about 20% of businesses listed for sale actually close a deal? Yep, selling isn't as easy as it might seem. But there's more. Research indicates that businesses that plan their exit strategy early, sometimes even years in advance, tend to have a higher success rate when it comes to selling. So timing and preparation, those are your keys. Step 1. Get your financials in order. Buyers want to see clean and organized records. You'll want to show profitability over the past 3 to 5 years. This provides assurance that they're making a wise investment. Next, it's about the valuation. It's tempting to go with a high figure, but be realistic. Overpriced businesses scare away potential buyers. Consider consulting professionals to get a fair and accurate business valuation. Confidentiality is paramount. You don't want your staff or competitors to know you're selling before it's the right time. Use non-disclosure agreements when discussing the sale with potential buyers. Another fascinating statistic is that 80% of business buyers end up purchasing a business in a completely different industry than they initially considered. So, cast a wide net when looking for potential buyers. They might come from unexpected places. When it's time to negotiate, remember to be flexible but stay firm on your non-negotiables. This process might take longer than you think. Patience will be your best friend here. And finally, even after the deal is sealed, be prepared for a transition period. New owners might want you on board for a few months to ensure a smooth handover. To receive help selling your business, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's made you consider selling your business? Drop a comment below and let us know how we can help you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to protect your time and money.